back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to jump on the train a little bit late, but we are going to test a bunch of TikTok beauty hacks. So TikTok has been very hyped for a half a year, maybe a couple of months. And I have ignored the whole thing because I thought it was targeting the younger generation. Just thought it wasn't something for me. But lately I've seen that beauty YouTubers do this particular video where they follow these hacks. So I thought I would do the same and be a little copycat. So I got myself the app and picked some of the hacks I could find. I don't know if it's changing all the time or if this is hacks you've already seen, but I'm going to do this anyway. So if you're not already, I would really recommend you to subscribe and hit the bell and turn on the notifications so you don't miss my future videos, and comment, like, all of that. So let's start. I don't know in what order to do this, but I think we'll start to fill in my brows, and then after that, when we are supposed to clean them up, we will do the first hack, okay? So I will just fast forward when I'm doing my brows. Now we want to clean these brows up with some concealer, and that's where the first hack comes in. So when you're almost finished with your concealer, I mean it's almost empty, then you can actually make it last longer. So let me play the hack on the screen so you can see, and then we'll try it. So I'm going to test on my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and it looks the same. It also has this little thingy, and mine is probably more empty than hers, but let's just try it. We take a tweezer and... okay, that's harder than it looked. Okay, this is impossible. I don't know how she did it. Maybe you just can do it on some concealers, because this is so freaking hard. My tweezer looked all up now. My hands as well, so... I didn't find any hacks on... well, I did, but not any new hacks on how to apply your eye makeup, so I'm just going to do that, and then I will be right back. The next hack is a lash hack, so yeah, I'm just going to play it. Okay, so she applies foundation on her lashes, and then she applies her mascara. So we're going to use the exact same foundation and a little spoolie, and just follow her instructions. This is a really weird hack. Never seen anyone do this. I guess this works as lash primer or something. If you have a foundation with bad ingredients and you get it in your eye, I don't think that's so good. I do not have the mascara she used. I think it's a MAC mascara or something. So we're going to test my Benefit Roller Lash and the L'Oreal Paris Volume Minus. And I think this will be the best because this is a bit clumpy, but we'll test both, I think. She never says that you should let it dry, so maybe we should just apply it. Okay, but they look weird. Maybe I applied too much, because you can still see the foundation. We apply one coat with this, and then we apply one coat with the other mascara. Oh, hello spider. Oh, that's a huge clump. Okay, that's just a lot of work for clumpy lashes. They just look disgusting, and I don't know if she used less product, less foundation, but anyhow, I think this is just difficult, and I think they look a lot better without the foundation, and if I really wanted them longer and thicker, I would put on false lashes. That's much easier than this process. I wouldn't recommend this at all, so let's continue to the next hack.
How to reverse nose contour. Take a triangle sponge with baking powder on, draw a line down the side of the nose, take a warm blusher and drag down the centre. Dust and blend. Add 2 spots of highlight.
She takes this little triangular sponge with some translucent powder, like that, maybe. Then she takes a very, very pink blush. We mix those two. She takes a lot. And she just drags it. Oh my god. Yeah, she's a bit darker than me, so we'll fine with that. Then she brush off everything. Okay, we just take a highlighter. She takes 1 dot here, I think. 1 here. She takes something here. What does she take? She takes something under the nose with another brush. I think it's a real contour shade, so we're going to do that as well. We put on some blush on my cheeks, and it may look smoother. We'll see. It doesn't look crazy, but still it's a bit too red pink, and it looks like I almost have a cold. So I don't know if it's just my skin color who doesn't really match with this shade, and maybe it will look good on some darker skin. But yeah, let's continue. Next hack will show us how to apply our liner and lipstick, so let's play that.
How to make your lips look bigger. Overline the top of your lip called the Cupid's bow and follow your natural line down to the corners, and overline the bottom center of your bottom lip and follow that up to the corners, shade in the corners, apply lipstick and apply a lighter color to the center, and boom!
So maybe this isn't something new, but it is for me because I suck at lipstick. So I'm just going to try to follow the instructions. So we have our liner. Oh. So here. I didn't use lipstick until I put in some fillers. So we take my Anastasia Buff lipstick. And then she take a lighter shade in the middle. So we take my Huda Beauty. We apply some balm, lip gloss over that because they look crusty as f. And that looks a little bit better. So now I have a hack that I'm really, really scared about. Okay, so I'm just going to play it and you will see why. So we'll take this cold water, spray it on our face, and then press a towel all over our face. Okay, she pressed really hard. I will try to avoid my eye area and the lips, but let's just do it. Ooh. Okay, well, it's still on my face. I'm impressed. Now we have a hack on how to clean your palettes, so let's watch. I don't really have an eyeshadow palette that looks like that, so we're going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette. And it looks disgusting, so we're going to try the process with this one. So I'll just take a wipe not a makeup wipe, this is a baby wipe, but I think it will work anyway. Something flat, wrap it around. As long as the flat thing is bigger than the pants, it's no issue. And just do it. Okay, it's a big difference, but yeah, it's still dirty. This particular palette is a bit broken because the plastic on the palette has lifted, so you have these wrinkles everywhere. I think it's a really, really good hack, and I will definitely use it on a daily basis, or as much as needed. So really, really good hack.
I put all my beauty blenders in a bowl with washing up liquid, like loads of it. Then I fill it with water, so like all the sponges are like soaked in water. Give them all a bit of a squeeze so that they're all like soaked up. Then I put them in the microwave for 2 minutes, because there's loads of them. You can only do 1 minute if you only have like 2 or 3. Once they're out, they're going to be really hot. Pour cold water in there straight away. Squeeze them up a bit so that they're like all getting like soaked. Pour all the dirty water out. Oh my god, this is horrible. When you've poured it all out, just add some more warm water. Add a little bit more fairy liquid. Just carry on squeezing them and squeezing them. And that's it, they're nice and clean.
Okay, so in this hack we're going to wash our beauty blenders. We have a Real Technique sponge, beauty blender, and 2 mini blenders. We're going to put on this dishwashing soap, do you say that? I don't know. A lot of it, like that. And then a lot of water. And squeeze them. Okay, so I put it in for 1.5 minutes and they're much cleaner, but this is kind of done. I think I'm going to cut these and then I can use it some more. This is just really annoying. Other than that, it's a great hack. I usually just put soap on mine and clean them underwater. Maybe this is good if you haven't done it in a while, so you can get rid of all that build-up inside the sponge. Good tip. I like it. That's all of the TikTok hacks I have for this time. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell, so I know if you want a part 2. Well, yeah, I see you in the next video. Bye!